my beautiful dreamers, and welcome back for another video with your girl Shlinda1. Happy New Year. I pray that you guys had a great time bringing in the new year. So in this video I am bringing you my 2017 favorite hair care shampoos. Now in this video I decided this year that I was going to change things up, and instead of doing long drawn out videos I would break everything up so I can go into a tiny bit of detail on why these are my favorite hair care products in that particular section. So if you haven't seen it already, I've already started with my foundations. So I'm going to do makeup, hair, makeup, hair, makeup, hair, so that you can really focus on those products or those categories that you're really interested in. But I would really appreciate if you watch other videos, just saying. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. You never want to miss another video with your girl Shlinda1, and definitely hit that notification key so once again you never miss another video with your girl. Okay guys, so I want to bring you my favorite shampoos. These are the ones that I've been using religiously throughout the year. Though I am a vlogger, you guys know I try so many different products. It's unbelievable, which sometimes I have to stop myself and take a break, put my hair in a protective style, because too much is not always a good thing. However, these are the shampoos that I've been using on a religious basis. These are the ones that I know what they do. I use them very intentionally for what my hair is telling me I need that at that time. So let's get right into it. As far as my hair, a little bit of just a very little bit of a background on my hair. I am a low porosity, fine textured, fine haired person. My hair is very fine. It's not thick at all, and I'm low porosity. So what does that mean? For my hair, I find that my hair thrives better on cleansed, clarified hair. Why clarified hair? The reason why is because my strands, I have low porosity hair 1, which means that my strands are so tightly bound that it's hard for moisture to really get into my strands. So when that happens, a lot of product sits on the strands instead of being able to penetrate the hair. So when that happens, you just get product buildup. So to be able to keep your hair thriving, you need to rid your hair, especially of these strands, of as much product buildup as possible. So that's why I clarify my hair. I don't always clarify my hair, but for the bulk, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to use some form of a strong shampoo clarifying something for my hair. The very first one, the one that I have purchased multiple times this year, I'm almost out of it again, is the Shea Moisture SACHA INCHI Oil Omega 369 Rescue and Repair Clarifying Shampoo. Get me some water. I'm thirsty. Like, that's the longest name in the world. But I'll say it 1,000 times because it's really, really good. I'm down. This is like my 3rd bottle, and I'm like down to here. I love this stuff. This is the stuff that's going to clarify my hair, get it squeaky clean. My hair is not going to feel fluffy afterwards. This is what I know I have to deep, well, there's no question you deep condition anytime you shampoo, but there's like you can't even skip it. Like, you can't skip. You have to deep condition, because all of that is coming off your, every strand of product, every inch of product that's on your hair and scalp is coming off with this bad boy. I absolutely love it. My hair loves it, and my hair is doing better now that I know my hair just thrives, especially right after I use this, just because I know all that product buildup is 100% off. Love it. The next one is one that I use when I'm not clarifying. However, I know that my hair is telling me I could use a little bit more moisture. Now, with that being said, I still use moisturizing shampoos. Though my hair thrives even better with a clarifying, I do know that every single week using a hard, I can't use this every single week. That's a little bit too harsh for my hair. So on the rare occasions that I decide to go in with a moisturizing shampoo, I use the Shea Moisture Mongongo and Hemp Seed Oil High Porosity Moisture Seal Shampoo. Now you're going to say, well, Shlinda, that's for high porosity hair. Why are you using it in your low porosity hair? This is the same bottle. I don't use this very often. I use this maybe 1 to 2 times every month, every 2 months. Very little bit goes away. Oh my God, this is the best sudsy moisturizing. It's just moisture. Right after a protein treatment that week before, you don't want to go in with anything too harsh. You really just want to do something soft. This is where I run to, and I just think it's fantastic. It's for low moisture retention, curly hair. It's cleanse and it smooths. I really like this. I like this in my hair as well as Kennedy's hair. Love it. The next one is something is when I'm ready for my curls to be popping. When I want my wash and goes to just be disrespectful, I go in with my Bentonite clay. You guys, I have reviews on this. I've done demos on this. You guys know how much I love this. So many people ask me, can this be used as a cleanser on the surface? This is definitely more of something that penetrates the hair and really goes into the strand to really strengthen and to really cleanse out the inner strand of the hair. So with that being said, not necessarily is it like does it omit necessarily cleansing your hair, but on the day that I use a Bentonite clay, it's the day I usually go on with a co-wash or something like that, just to help get anything on the outer skirts of the strand off. You can even, now I use this with apple cider vinegar, which that also helps really cleanse the surface of the hair. So it just depends on what I feel like my hair is needing, but usually when I use this, I don't go in with a very harsh shampoo, but this definitely I know cleanses the inner strand of my hair, and I absolutely love it. My curls love it. My favorite shampoo of the year, the one that I've repurchased this like several times. It's the one I use in my hair, the one I use in Kennedy's hair, the one I use in my son's hair. It is the one that weekly basis, when I do my weekly wash days, it's the one I'm using. And it's by Jane Carter. Love Your Hair, Healthy Hair, Renewable Difference Detox Shampoo. This is my baby daddy love. I love the line. So get used to seeing this line. But for the shampoo, it's fantastic. And I remember the very first time I used it, I was like, what the hell? This shampoo is crazy because it comes out super thick. And then when you start to rub it together, it looks like it's breaking apart. But the second you put water to it, it suzzes up. I mean, this is the shampoo. This is a detox shampoo, so it's also a clarifying shampoo, but it's definitely not as harsh as this. Your hair is being clarified, but it's definitely not being 1,000,000,000% stripped of everything, but it's definitely getting the majority of that surface product buildup off. It's detoxing the strands. I can even somewhat start to detangle. I'm not saying that I'm going through my hair really detangling, but when you can actually have something that's nice and smooth to where you can actually finger detangle your hair with shampoo, that is a good shampoo. So this one is my all-time favorite for the year. It's my most used shampoo of the year. I love it in my hair, love it in Kennedy's hair, and it's just a fantastic shampoo, guys. This has fruit extracts, sugar maple, orange, and lemon. It's just for all hair types to detoxify and remove buildup. Love this shampoo. It is fantastical. That is it, guys. Those are my favorite cleansers for my natural hair for 2017. Those are the ones that I gravitate to. Those are the ones I know what they're going to do. I'm not surprised with them. When I try a product that's not so good, these are the ones that I run to kind of like fix anything, because I know what they're going to do. So these are my favorites, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, say it with me. Rate, comment, and subscribe. You definitely want to hit that subscribe button right there. It's the new year. Let's start it off with a bang. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video with your girl, Shlinda1, as well as hit the notification key. So once again, you never forget and you never miss another video with your girl, Shlinda1. Guys, I love you so much. Happy New Year again. Remember, you are bold, you are beautiful. Most importantly, you're blessed, especially in this new year. Started off with the bang. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the very next video. Be sure to go absolutely everywhere and follow me at Shlinda1. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.